Hello, in this video I will show you how to inexpensively turn your house into a palace. Build or hang large mirrors. They will enlarge the space, and large spaces always look more luxurious. Flowers. Whether live or artificial flowers, they always add coziness and elegance. And if an exclusive vase is used for this, the room will immediately look alive. Hang pictures. The pictures must match the size of the wall. The bigger the wall, the bigger the picture. Use pampas. They will give the room softness and uniqueness. Don't forget to match the colors. Use certain colors to paint the walls that add luxury. Place decorative pillows. Details give the room volume. If you can, install moldings or panels. The walls will not be so boring, and various patterns give it an aristocracy. Don't forget interesting lighting. Use LED lighting or hidden lighting. Do not overload the room with unnecessary things, but a table with an exclusive design or an antique vase placed in the right place will definitely attract attention.